I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing today. So what we have here is actually a little gift one of my best friends actually gave me. It looks like there was some sort of WWE event around, that came into town. So he really didn't know what to get me. He's like, it's like I don't know if I should get him like a hat or a t-shirt. So he's like, you know what? I saw this and I knew that you would probably find a good use for it. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what we got here. Let's see. Uh-oh. I think I know what this is. So this looks to be a power bank, which is pretty cool. Awesome. So nice, good deal. Well, I am going to be using this, absolutely. Thank you very much, Adrian, for giving me this. So let's see what's in here as well. So of course we got a charging cable right here. Micro USB. Cool. And it looks like we got some sort of get to know your power bank. Alright, well I'm going to go right ahead and read this. So, alright, well, it's a nice gift. Well, very nice gift. So let's see what kind of, let's see if I could focus here. It looks like cell capacity would be a 2200 it looks like milliamps. Yeah. And product capacity 1200 milliamps. Cool. Of course, you have the WWE logo here, which is nice. Looks really nice. Let's see, what does this do? Looks like it's the power button, and looks like this is just a status light. Cool. All right. Awesome. And it's not plastic. It's actually aluminum. So there we go. That's a quick unboxing of this wonderful gift that I received. And like always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.